Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Breaking news. As Bobi Wine was heading to his second rally in district Mbarara, yabadde intercepted by the police, and of course banji nnyo bakwatiddwa. Yes, banji nnyo bakwatiddwa. Of course enamba yaba bakwatiddwa tennaba kubanga emanyikibwa. But what I can confirm to you is so many have been apprehended and taken by the police. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine abadde omunyiivu ennyo nnyo ku face. Avuddeyo n'alangira police. Njagala nkulage what exactly happened olunaku olwaleero. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine wabadde agenda ku rally ye esembayo ne bamu intercepting a police. Purposely, I don't know why they intercepted him. Now we are yet to know the reason as to why bamu intercepting nze ne bakwata almost his team. Tamboza video.
Guys, okay, what about sharing it?
Please, manyimo njagala nnyo ngenda kubeera safe. Okay, kino mukikolere nze. Please, mbagala nga temuli mu ngalo z'abaana abasajja. Okay? Kandabe kyensobola okukola ng'obudde bukyatunula. Okay, saagala budde buzibe nga muli mu danger. So move. Okay?
Okay, President.
Ambush. Police, military have joined us on the way, block us from reaching Izigwera. And then we are rounding up our people like they did in Kalangala. Shame on the regime. They cannot stomach what they just saw in Mbarara. They cannot believe that people in Western Uganda are tired of this regime. They cannot believe that people came out in large numbers to show support to the forces of change. We are not criminals, we are non-violent. They've been attacking us. They've been planning to reduce our team. Remember, they arrested Waiswa, Eddie Mutwe, Achireo, Gaddafi, Smart, and all those. Now in Lira, they took 10 of our people. 2 days ago in Mbarara, they took 20 of our people. Now they're wailing just on the way. Criminals. That is how scared Museveni is. He cannot stand fair competition. He cannot. Because Museveni is a weakling. Museveni is a coward. Don't allow that old man to lie to you. He has lied to you for 40 years. We are here to demystify you, Museveni. We are here to show the people what kind of coward are you. You pose that you're a general, but inside you there's a little girl scared. Why are you scared of fair competition? Let it be free and fair. Let us walk freely and let us talk to the people. Is that too much to ask for? Shame on you. Shame on Uganda police. Shame on the UPDF. Shame on all those security forces. They cannot stomach fair competition. Well, we are here. Age is on our side. Time is on our side. God is on our side. And the law is on our side. You cannot stop us. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come. The young people of Western Uganda have showed you. You brought goons on the road to beat us. But they were overpowered by the people of the place. Now, you want an excuse to arrest our people. You want an excuse to harm us. You want an excuse to kill people. Shame on you, old man, and shame on all of you criminals. This cannot stop us. You cannot stop the wind of change. It's blowing and it's going to blow you away. Strong, Kemukoa.
President Ohame.
President, we are one.
Everyone is wow.
Okay. President, ekibinja kisooka ku bantu be akituusiza obudde buno ali mu kweyongerayo maaso tayagala leka mwana ina mudenja so ali mu kuddayo mabega okulaba nti ate anunula abaana abalala abali mu kubanga bagenda maaso n'okuwambibwa abali mu kubawamba abali mu leeya muganda wange beebisa obukookolo tebaagala kubanga babalaba so bwe bali mu kubanga bagenda maaso n'okubanga bawamba abantu abo era bakyayongera okuyika okubanga bakwata. So eno yembeera eri mu kubanga egenda mu maaso obudde buno.
Shame on you, that man is supposed to be paying teachers. Your wife is suffering, you are underpaid, but they're using you to torture people. They're using you to beat us, yet we are fighting for you. We're not fighting against you. We are not fighting against you, my friend, we're fighting for you. We want to get you out of those mama injia pore. You deserve better. You are officers of the law, not officers of impunity. Abasajja abaswavu bano baswadde ekyobola beri sefesi zaabwe tebagala nsi ebalabe mubatunuze mu kamera ensi ebalabe baswadde nnyo tebasobola kikkiriza abantu b'Embarara batwaniriza bwe batyo tebasobola kikkiriza kino wankole batwagala bwe batyo nabo baagala enkyukakyuka tebasobola kikkiriza. So kakati balizotinze to violence, balizotinze to lawlessness. But look at these young men and young women. Why do they make you do these bad things, my brother, my sister? Olaba, you're even ashamed of yourself. That uniform is supposed to be honorable. They're supposed to be officers of the
Nsaba tambuza video nga bw'osobola tambuza video.
People power!
Okay, mbeera eriwo a president abasajja abali mu leya abali mu bukookolo abaana abato abawala n'abalenzi bakoze ambush ne ba arrestinga.
Balabe bona bali face because you cannot show your face, mama. You're a mother, you have a child. Eh? If you are having a children, you can die from the hospital. We are fighting for you and not fighting against you. We're not doing anything bad. Okay? That flag on the uniform is supposed to symbolize honor. I know you don't like what they're making you do. Leave alone these criminals. Okay? Bano bantu batono nnyo bebabakozesa mwenna bakwa mwenna mulinganga baslave temusobola kwetegerera. Okay? How can they make you torture your brother? How can they make you do terrible things? Police academy. This is their commander. Officer, where are our people? So can you open our road? Can you open for us the road? And
we are still getting others, and once we are done, we shall open and we go. You are at liberty to move.
But are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you really not ashamed of yourself? This is not Museveni's police. This is not a tribal police. That flag does not symbolize any tribe. That flag symbolizes all of Ugandans. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Mr. President, watuwako kumurugana kuchigenda maaso.
Kuchigenda maaso mekirama. Batusazeeko baagala obudde buzibe batukoleko obulabe. Baagala obudde buzibe batukoleko obulabe. Bakutte abaana batalina musango, bannamawulire, abawala bagaba flyers n'ebirala ebifaanana bwe bityo. Naye tewali kubo yayogedde ku bagunzi ababadde bambadde t-shirt za Museveni abatulumbye ne batukuba. Okay? So kakati bali mu kutupa bali mu gamba nti ate ffe okubeera nga tutambula nga tugenda gye twabadde tugenda gwabadde musango. Okay? Ekyo kya buswavu nnyo. Museveni should be ashamed of himself. Byabakama, Mr. Byabakama, you've not come out to talk about the attack. You've not come out to talk about the attack on us by people wearing yellow t-shirts, by people protected by police. You've not come out to talk about that. Cameras showed Muchiri, a police officer, and a group of officers escorting criminals to attack people, throw stones at us. You've not talked about that, but you had time to see when I was going to buy maize and you talked about it. Museveni himself, the criminal that he is, he has not talked about that. He has not talked about the tribal sentiments. He has not talked about the attack in Chiruhura, but he's talking about me and my wife waving to people as if it's a crime. These people should be ashamed of themselves.
Alright, embeera ebaddewo Mbarara nga Bobi Wine convoy ye erumbibwa police n'amagye. Kigambibwa nti abantu abawerako abali ku ttiimu ya Kyagulanyi Center Robert Bobi Wine bakwatiddwa. However, enamba omuwendo gw'abantu abakwatibwa tennabamanyikibwa naye nga we are still yet to inform you more about this. Please keep following, subscribe, and of course sharing the video to as many people as you can.